Hey, this is riding a bike. There's Kathleen. Kathleen, wave to the camera. Hey, buddy, go ahead, Kathleen. We'll get a shot from behind here. Woo! Hey, don't run off the path. That's what Jack Tripper did at the start of Three's Company. Remember? Okay, here we go. All right. Lying down. Guys doing their exercises over here. Oh, look at yoga chick. Right on. Watch out for the bike. I think this is where I oh, look at the guy doing the things. Oh, I always wanted to do that. That's really hard. The hoops. Heads up, heads up. Hello. Here comes Kathleen. Go! Watch out, don't run into anybody.